Some time ago, my grandmother told me she wanted to give me her thimble collection. I was really surprised and appreciate them a lot. I love them, but I didn't know where to put them, but now I know. When I talk about my grandmother in the sewing room, I always refer to my grandmother, the one who had the shop, and all the little cottons I have, and I inherited it. But my other grandma is alive on another island, and she always watches my videos. She doesn't miss one. And I also have things around the sewing room that remind me of her. Like, for example, this cushion she crocheted for me when I was little. And now with the thimbles, it's not that you need anything to remember someone, but I think it's really special to have someone that meant a lot for them. For example, this. So let me know down in the comments what you have that reminds you of someone. I haven't warned her about this video. She's gonna kill me on the phone, but she's gonna kill me. Let me sit for a while. So I remember when she gave them to me, we went, we saw every one of them, and she told me about them, but they've been in the drawer for a while because I didn't know where to show them, where to display them. But now I have where, because my cousin gave me this little shave. It's one of these metal and wooden ones, and I think it's ideal for this because it's only little, for little things. And I have this. This is what happens when you always say, before throwing anything, let me know, because maybe I can give it another life or do something with it or upcycle it. So I'm right in the way between the storage room and the rubbish bin. So in between them, there's me. So people always call me. So now I can display them. All these little thimbles, of course, are ornaments. You're not going to use them as much because they are quite big, and apart from that, they are very ornamented. There's one with a goat from Fuerteventura, there's an owl from San Sebastian, the typical ones from different virgins and different places, and then there's also bigger ones from places on the mainland, on mainland Spain. And then there's this little cow. I don't know where it's from because it doesn't say, but it's quite cute, isn't it? My grandma traveled a lot once she retired, but I'm not sure if they are all bought by her or if someone also gave her a few. I have no idea. So the idea is to hang this little shelf over there on top of the cutting table right there on that side. I haven't hung anything really on the walls, on my two walls I have, so I think it's going to look cute. There's like the place right for that. So let's see if I don't have to call reinforcements. I hope not. I mean, I like DIYing, but on my own it's like, I don't know. Is it leveled? Bien. Little head things. ¿Dónde está aquí? Okay. So I had a bit of a problem, I'm not going to lie, and it is that apparently the drill has to go on the, like, what's the name of that? Hammer mode? And I didn't have it there. I'm not sure. I love DIYing, but I'm not usually the one who drills. So I asked for some advice and I was doing it wrong. So now that I have that there, I can start screwing. So I have to screw at the same time I balance this. No problem, no biggie, no biggie. Destornillador. Cling, 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 cling. Uno. Wait. Oh, this one looks a bit, this is a bit more complicated with the shelf right there. Yay! Okay. I just display them in no order in particular over here. And I'm sure my son will want to have a look at the sheep and cow one more than once. And there's a little witch here and I don't know which one it belongs to, so I have to ask my grandma, and I have it here just in case. I think it's these ones, and the rest are all beautiful. This one is like a copper or tin one with a virgin. It's really nice. They're all really special. I think it's really special when you travel and you pick something for someone or for yourself. So let me know down in the comments which are your favorite souvenirs to bring from a holiday. I've brought from the few trips I've done ornaments for my Christmas tree. I think it's really special when you open your Christmas box and you have all those memories. So let me know down in the comments, apart from magnets for the fridge, which ones do you usually go for? There are so many things to collect, so beautiful. I love doing things around the house. It makes me really happy, especially when it's something that you have in your mind for a long time. I knew I had the thimbles, but I hadn't had the chance to get a new shelves. I hadn't seen any I liked. So when my cousin gave me this one, I immediately said, oh, for my grandma's thimbles. I had them right in mind. It's all this mental load we have. So it's good, you feel really relieved when you get things out of mind. So let me know if you're going to do something like that. If you have things to display, just give them a little corner, make some room for them. It's really nice to appreciate them, to admire them, and if someone has given them to you, to remember that person. I'll leave you a link here about things I've done around the sewing room, the cutting table, the shelf, things I've reorganized. One does not finish organizing because what works for you one day won't work in a year, because everything changes, our routines change, so it's really good to reorganize stuff. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and if you like this kind of content, because I upload twice a week, and that way you won't miss anything. And I'll see you next week. Bye!